Okay, for this building, what's happening here is that it was initially designed for a single story, but then the owner decided to do a story building. So we will have to put some pillars in the middle of the. This is the hall. This will be the hall. So we are putting some 2 pillars here. So they have to dig through the concrete to put the pillars here. So they are using the machine to dig through the concrete to put 2 pillars here, so that when they do the flooring, the flooring will suspend on top of these 2 pillars, right? That's what the guys are doing today. And then they are also doing they are breaking some of the extra blocks, because the slab will lie on top of the block here, so they have to break the extra block on top of it. That's what they've done here. These guys are very hardworking, very diligent guys. They don't play with their work. I really like how they are very focused on the work. So they had to remove some of the extra block on top of the walls, and then break through the concrete pillars, so that they can expose some of the iron rods and lap them for the slab, and then the rod will continue for the pillars on top of the second floor. So you can see the guy at the top there. Even though what he's doing is not very safe, but I'm sure he knows what he's doing. And that's what they are doing in the corner there, breaking through the pillars to reveal the iron rods, so that they can lap it to continue at the top there. And that's what we are doing here today, making some corrections so that this property can be turned into a story building. If you have a property that you probably want to turn into a story building, you need someone who has the experience and the know-how to do that, because if you don't do it properly, you have issues and the building may not be able to hold up. So these guys know what they are doing, very experienced. They've done a couple of projects before, so they know what they are doing. And then this beam will be removed. So for this beam, what they are saying is that they will use the hammer to manually break it down before cutting the rod in it, because if they cut if they use the machine, it may not work. So they will manually do that to remove this beam here. It's a very huge beam that they will have to remove, but that's what the work's called for, So they'll have to remove this beam, so that this whole area will be a void, so that this beam is not needed anymore. As I said, it was being designed for a single story, so this beam was very necessary. But now that it's being converted to a story building, they'll have to remove the beam there to do it. And if you have people who know what they are doing, it's very easy to do that, but you need someone who is experienced to show you or help you to convert your single story to a double story. That's very important. So if you have a job like that, please give us a call, and then let's do a good work for you. Bye.